Clue number two. Clue number two, pretty easy to see this one too, was the bear channel, right, that we found shortly after we zoomed in on a faster time frame. So the first clue was the bull channel. Second clue, exactly the opposite, the bear channel. Now what does a bear channel tell me to do? Bear channel says sell retracements with new lows. Bear channel says if I'm going to break out of this channel, I better look to sell at resistance overhead. And if we keep going down, I'm selling retracements as we make new lower lows. Bull channel, bear channel, very easy to trade it. And we use this as an example today on our members only training today. A great training this morning. What's my third clue? Now you can't see it right here. We're going to show you guys more about it in the next slide. But we had a level here from Friday's high. Friday's high was at 97. What was it again? 97.20. And then Friday's low was at 94.85. Okay? Now, remember, when we came in this morning, we talked about how on a Monday morning, how do I calculate my inside day, previous highs and previous lows, not using Sundays, using Fridays. If you want more clarification on that, post a question below this video. This, of course, now becomes our trading range from Friday. So we knew right away here we had, again, Friday's highs, 97.20. Don't be confused by Sunday's highs. I want to use Friday's highs. And then Friday's lows at 94.85. Now, what did that tell me? Well, that told me if we made it through these highs, outside day, bull channel, I'm buying pullbacks. It also tells me if we were to push through to the lows, bear channel, right? Selling retracements down. So the 94.85 up to the 97.20, what do we call that again? The previous day's range. And what does it mean to us? If we're inside of this range, we call this an inside day. What does an inside day tell me to do? Top to bottom, right? How many times have we made our daily goal over and over again by simply watching price come up, break above the previous highs, and then tumble right back down in? And guys, that's exactly what happened today. We used the previous day's trading range, not Sunday's. We used Friday's highs and Friday's lows. And what actually happened this morning was we broke out above that 97.20. We bought a pullback, and then we saw a head and shoulders pattern at the highs, divergence fires off of the highs. We then marked up our swing lows here, and we just waited for price to come back down again below the previous high of day from Friday. And when it did, we knew what to do. Buyers were failing at the highs. We saw price go back below the 97.20. Now it's time to sell, right? And we expected price to go from top to bottom, all the way down to the previous low of day. And so what we ended up doing was, you got it, selling retracements all the way down. By the time we had tested 95, we had made well over our daily goal. We kept breaking new lows. We even sold some retracements going down, almost down to that 93.86. A fantastic day today, over 360 ticks, guys and gals, and we finished up a great morning in the live trade room with all your questions and went right to our members only training. Great day today. We're going to have another great day tomorrow, but let me show you guys how these trades actually played out today here on this crude chart. We go right down now to the BMT, but more importantly, look what we've broken below the previous high of day. Now guys, you know me. How many times have we done this before? Price goes up, pushes above the previous highs, comes tumbling back down, and we are waiting for it once it comes tumbling back down. Now you'll see here a couple swings here. The first trade I took didn't go very far, right around that BMT. And we knew the BMT, we knew the open right there, we knew this was going to be a choppy area. We called it higher risk. At 10.05, we get a +5, -5 as it's chopping around. By 10.15, we made a new lower low. I then sell the retracement at the high of that channel. Remember, once I get that lower low, now I'm excited about this thing. Let's start selling retracements now. 10.05, nothing in, nothing out. 10.15, another +2, right? +5, -4. 2 off at 5, 2 off at -4, right? What is that? +10, -8. There's your 2 at 10.15. And again, I reminded myself, Joe, you know how this story ends. Keep following your plan. And by this time, we had already defined this easy to find bear channel. We knew exactly what was happening here now. We were breaking below the previous high of day, so the buyers fail up top. And now again, new lower low, Oh yeah, new low of day, sell the retracement 1, new low of day, sell the retracement 2, new lower low, right? New low of day, sell the retracement 3 and 4, right? And 5 and 6 on the way down. Whew, I'm exhausted just talking about that. It was so, I mean, I don't want to say it was easy, but it certainly wasn't hard. Having fun, earning profit, and learning every step of the way. At 10:15, plus 2 ticks. Now here's where we made a killing. The last 7 trades, 5 of the last 7 trades, well, you'll see. 36 ticks at 10:25, 54 ticks at 10:33. 10:47 we make 56 ticks, 10:50 35 ticks, and 11 o'clock another 40 ticks, followed up with 19 ticks at 11:12. Right? Total it all up, guys, that's a little bit above 360 ticks on the way down.